Okay, next one presenting Mice VR. Hello guys. Today I'm gonna be presenting why you can throw baseballs. Cause you can throw baseballs because you can move with your body like this. Oh my god! I think I just hit
No! Why did he do that? No talking, Jacob. Oh, I'm so sorry.
And and also I came to present why who named them dinosaurs? Dinosaurs.
Why did he say dinosaurs? Oh my god, he's having a nightmare.
They're called dinosaurs.
Stop talking, Jacob, or else you're going to the
literally
principal's office.
a dinosaur. They're literally called dinosaurs by the person who created them. So no thoughts.
Boo, presentation was boring.
No, I just
you're
hit
going
the
to the principal's
teacher.
office. Oh my god, no!